Triton, a moon from Neptune. Oh, I mean, the moon Triton revolves around Neptune, planet Neptune, big ass blue planet. And that is not any damn gas giant at all. That's a rocky ass planet. All the gas giants are. Anyway, this is Triton. Let's get a look. Look, it looks exactly like Pluto. Check this out. All the same features. And what is that right there? A huge finger and a fingernail. Look at that. If you cannot see it, I don't know what's wrong with your eyes. Right there. Look at the fingernail. I mean, it's so clear. It's one gigantic finger. And the other ones are around the planet. So the planet is wrapped around by a huge hand. And this is where the cylinder, the top of the cylinder with the divine laws of the universe. That's what I assume that cylinder is, that hand is holding. That symbol is everywhere. Space, planet, moon, asteroid, galaxy, nebulas, everywhere. On Earth, on the air, in the clouds, on top of Earth, in space, on the sun, you name it, it's there. So let's enhance the image using the keyboard Control Plus. Look, no integrity loss in this image. Check it out. Look all the structures that are there. I mean, it's incredible. Of course, I had to alter the settings. The backlight and the brightness, I lowered them badly. I mean, a lot, because they overexposed this image and blurred the heck out of it. So we wouldn't see anything. So look at right there. Look at these images. I mean, these structures. That moon is covered from one end to the other. Every single other celestial body in the solar system is covered with structures. Look at that. Once you darken it, then you start seeing what's there. Look at that, all these structures. And then the same thing, fingers and fingers, I mean, smaller hands in every which way. Look at that. And then we get to the upper part. Look at that, wow. And they tell, oh, those are volcanoes, because they blacken the deal, the darken. There's not any damn volcano. Look, it's a finger and a fingernail. It's a structure. And you see a pyramid right there. Look, and it's a tube that traverses across that pyramid. Look, that's a pyramid right there. The camera couldn't handle it. There you go. This thing is a pyramid right there. Let's put it, let's make it, let's just use the camera to, I mean the keyboard to enhance the image. Not the camera. Camera tends to go blurred. Check it out. So you see right there, that is a pyramidal-shaped building. Of course, you have to darken the image more to see, because they overexpose these images. Now let me show you what I found in this image. Look at that, right there. That's a metallic looking object that is sitting on top of a structure. But it is not the only one. Look, there's another one up here, another one up there. It's like a several objects parked in this moon. Look at this. It looks like a raptor. Check it out. Look at that. Could be a structure, not sure because the blurriness, but it has this shape. It has a round thing here. And then it has this, it's almost like a star, but it does have that look of a craft. Of course, not a craft that we are familiar with. See, the structure underneath has this spherical or semi-spherical things that are in, oops, like that, like a tube. Look at that. And you see that is, I mean, they overexpose this image incredibly to the point where all you can see is the outlines. So, but I've seen a lot of blur. You can see a smudge big time, but in this case, and look at this thing is pointy, or sort of. Maybe it's just a structure because it has a finger deal on the, see the square deal here. See, up close you cannot tell, but you have to keep it a certain distance to be able to, oh my goodness, there's so many structures here. And these tools that is a spherical something here, then there is this tool, and there's another, like a, it look almost like a ramp, but I cannot tell for sure, so I won't be making any for sure this is this or that is that, no. By the shape and the metallic shiny deal, it looks like a craft, but I don't know. Well, now they use a finger deal and everything, so you can tell that this is like a finger thing. But look, this is, in fact, all the Leonard Watson objects, they all have the exact same thing, the fingers everywhere. Why they do that, I don't know. That's one thing that I have not been able to find out, because there's nobody else doing this type of research. I mean, I can do the drawing of the outline and it's just insane what is there. Some geometrical shapes that are, and no one thing. This thing it just continues. Continue and doesn't stop anywhere. It's just one solid structure, the entire moon, like I've seen it on every single other moons and planet. So that's the object right there. That's one. Then there is this one right here. It's the same story. But then there are other ones. Look, this one is casting a shadow underneath. Or I don't know if this is, look, this one right here. Like I say, it's difficult to tell on blurry thing. Well, look, there is all like a face here. I mean, it has that flavor of a face. With the hat, like, look at the hand, look, what I was saying. Look at the hand right there. Oh my goodness, look at that. And this one is holding something else. This one is holding some sort of a, wow. I mean, and then you see the thing goes with this bulging. I mean, this is difficult, man. And this hand only has 1, 2, 3 fingers. So with the thumb would be 4 fingers. Might have another one, but let's see. Look at the bulging. I mean, it looks like just like a hand holding a lever, something. Look, right there. Then you have this bunch of structures there that, I mean, it's just, like I say, insane. Then that look sort of like an eye. And the vertical pupil, but an angry eye. So you know that whoever built these things is not a happy camper. In fact, these things look like a graph too, park right there. Let me do it with the bright letters, or with bright color, I'm sorry. Look, it's shiny also, and look, it has this. We have the same square fingernail looking thing. Another hand. Wow, that is insane. Well, I'm saying insane because who in the world is gonna make a craft that